I'm gonna put this in, and then we can, and I'm gonna leave this plastic on this time too. So it'll get all scratched up and whatnot. There you go, like this. Okay. And we got it. So now, I was here for way too long. Now we're gonna get these installed, and then get the other one, test it out, and we're done. All right, this is the one for this one. Push it down to lock. Okay, you can put this back. Don't know if it's supposed to go that way or this way. Probably this way. My gut is telling me that way, so I'm gonna do it that way. It works. All right, we got the other one. This glove is done for, but I'm gonna keep wearing it till I'm done with this job. Okay. All right, we're gonna take this. Okay. Close the hood. Oh, much better.
Oh, yeah.
Right. Much better. Much better. All right. So this is how it looks. Okay, here we go. Brights off. It works. Yeah.